All right, everybody. It's been a while since I made a video, but we're gonna try and get this old four-wheeler of my daughter's for my daughter going. Let's see what it looks like. It was his, but he got a little too big for it, huh, Skylar? Yeah. Careful, don't hurt nothing. Whoa. Okay. No chickens in here. No chickens in here. No, get that cord off of it. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Just try to pull it, buddy. Got it? Need some help? There you go. Careful, watch your step. Here it comes, seeing daylight for, oh man, this still got Busco on it from the last time still. Huh. Yeah, that's just a cover. Yep. Yep, I'll get it fixed. Alright, let's get it over to the garage, or the carport. It's over here. Good job, son. Wave hi to everybody. Thank you. Now we get to start taking all the plastics off and disassemble. And I'm pretty sure I got to rebuild the top end. It's ate some Busco, kind of like the old wannabe here. So I'm gonna put the phone down and maybe get some time lapse of this. All right, everybody. I got the body off. Let's hopefully I can get this thing to be a little nicer for my daughter. Definitely gonna have to do a better air filter setup because it had torn and started sucking air in. You see how loose that is on the, so it started sucking dust in, and at Busco, that's not a good thing. Tell by how clean it is. But she's a little low on oil. I might see if I can get it started and test it. All right. We got some cables hooked up. Pulled the solenoid out, was acting kind of funny, maybe just a little sticky. Did turn it over a few times before I started recording. But, you grab the button and gotta see if we get in spark. All right. Bring y'all back here in a minute. Gonna have to set you down. I wish I had a daggone tripod. All right, everyone. So I've got it cranking, and I haven't checked for a spark, but I did check for fuel, so I'm not getting any fuel. So I'm gonna start here at this petcock here and see if this here, and see if I get flow coming out of this end. So that'll eliminate, you know, things. So definitely not getting any fuel flow, so let's see what we can do here. Alright, so checked for flow here, got flow there. Checked for flow past the peacock and got flow there, so the problem's in here. I'll bring you back once I got it off. Well, here it is. Look at all the busco in there. Oh my goodness. Yep. Definitely going to need rings. But she's not getting fuel, so let's see if we can well, doesn't look like we're gonna be messing with that, but maybe I can flush it. All right. Get back with y'all again here in a few minutes. So, you know how it was sitting. Well, I decided, since I didn't feel like messing with this carb no more, since you can't, sealed unit. See? No screws to take the bowl off. Freaking junk. So I was like, okay, I'll pour some gas down the intake and see if it runs. Dummy forgot, since it has no throttle blade on it, it's wide open, and she did a burnout and stopped right there. Dang, I gotta get a tripod so I get this stuff on camera. All right, now that I have a jack under it and the wheels are off the ground, maybe it won't try and do 190 into my go-kart and all of my other stuff. All right, let me set you guys down so you guys can see it. All right, everyone. Now that I got a jack under it, let's see it run. I dribbled some gas down it from the right off the peacock, right off the tank. Let's see if it. Still runs. Sweet. Just for a little side note, this thing has not ran since Mud Bash 2021. All right, well, we got it to run. But it needs a new carburetor. I'm gonna keep messing with that one to try and get it to work. It's sealed today. Why? But anyway, get a new carburetor for it. And I'll get it all back together, get the body back on it. Oh, over there. Get the body back on it and get this thing looking back to its good old days. It used to run pretty good. It used to ride wheelies with me on it. But, yep. We'll get a carburetor for it and get it cleaned up and get it all decorated up for my little one. However she wants to do it. I guess I'll get a video of that. New air filter, new carburetor, change the oil, and with the way it smokes, I'm probably gonna have to do the rings in it, so that'll be another video you guys should like. And yeah, I hope she likes it. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Have a great day.